there, welcome to this training session on overcoming objections. In this session, we'll explore how to identify real objections, distinguish them from excuses, and close effectively, especially on the first visit. So let's dive in. To make the determination between an objection and an excuse, first you have to know the definitions for both. An objection is a hesitation or concern keeping the client from saying yes. Common objections include price, trust, timing, or needing to talk to a spouse. Remember, these are not rejections. They're chances to engage and move forward. An objection does not mean a rejection. Now, if you've been in sales, you've probably heard these like, this is too expensive, or this is not a good time, or we'll wait till fall. Another contractor is cheaper. Prepared reps know these are part of the process and that each can be turned into an opportunity. Now, in contrast, an excuse are disengagements. I need to think about it, or I never buy on the first meeting. Those aren't always real concerns. Those sometimes are just exits. Your job is to continue to ask questions to uncover the true nature of their disengagement. So to do that, you have to ask open-ended questions. These are questions that start with who, what, where, why, or how. So some of those are, what's your biggest concern today? When you say it's too expensive, do you mean it's outside your budget or the value isn't clear yet? This separates real objections from surface level excuses. So let's connect that with achieving some sort of a closing, getting a contract signed or the initial agreement once you're there for the first visit. Why is that important? It shortens the sales cycle, it builds confidence and trust, it maximizes your time and income, and it makes you more resilient to the competition. Being able to close on first visit starts with knowing how to respond to objections in real time. So one angle of statements is education-based statements. Use education to show your value and calm concerns. So for example, you could say your insurance company only covers storm damage for a limited time. Waiting may cost you that opportunity. Or even minor damage can void a manufacturer's warranty. So statements like these help clients feel more informed rather than pressured. Next is urgency-based statements. This is where you can bring in a sense of urgency, not fear, just facts. So you could say, every time it rains, that damage spreads and insurance won't always cover it later. Or once adjusters get busy in your area, inspections get rushed and underpaid. This is just a couple of statements to help someone off the fence ethically and effectively. Another angle you can use is using credibility and trust-building statements. This is where you build credibility to overcome trust objections. This is where you can say things like, we don't get paid unless your claim is approved, or we don't collect the final payment unless you're satisfied. Another statement, we've done hundreds of roofs in your area. Would you like to see some before and after shots? Trust closes deals way faster than tactics alone. Another angle is risk mitigation statements. You can use risk mitigation language to neutralize hesitation. So these would include, this agreement just allows us to meet the adjuster. You're still in control. Because a lot of the times, it's the lack of control that people are most worried about. Another example would be, there's no obligation if your claim isn't approved. This makes the signing feel safer, but not final. Another way is using sales psychology and close tactics. In sales psychology, you're blending subtle strategies like scarcity. We're only accepting a few more claims this week. Want me to hold a spot for you? You can use social proof, which is like saying 3 neighbors already signed on. I want to make sure you're not left out. And an offshoot of the assumptive close is the trial close. And this is where you can say a statement like, if insurance covers it and there's no extra cost, would you be ready to move forward? These guide the prospect gently to a decision without pressure. The last angle you can use are ethical fear-based statements. And yes, ethical fear can be appropriate. These usually sound like, unaddressed storm damages spread and lead to major issues. Or, adjusters without contractor oversight often miss damage and you pay the price later. Used carefully, these statements highlight the real risk, not scare tactics. So the best way to overcome objections and dig through excuses once you discover what the objection is behind an excuse is to have prepared rebuttals. So what is a rebuttal? A rebuttal is how you keep the conversation going when objections and excuses arise. Have your responses ready, not to argue, but to inform and to guide. So one objection could be, it's too expensive, whereas your rebuttal could be, many felt the same way. Once they saw the long-term value, they realized it was a smart investment, and would you like to go over some numbers today? Or would you like to go over the process today? A rebuttal for an excuse, one like, I need to think about it. You can say, absolutely, I would want to too. What part do you want to think over, and let me make sure I get the right information to you. So to have more success with overcoming objections, getting to the bottom of excuses, and for converting leads on that first visit, know how to spot real objections versus excuses. Use education, credibility, urgency, and psychology to handle concerns. Practice, practice, practice your rebuttals, especially ones when you're trying to close on first visit. And always make sure your rebuttals are thoughtful, so that way your prospective client can have a better perception of value on you. The best reps don't pressure. They educate, they guide, and they earn trust right then and there. Now let's take a moment to provide you some common objections and excuses. I'm going to give you some examples, and I want you to try to identify if it's a true objection or an excuse. After that, pause the video after each one so you can have a chance to come up with a rebuttal and or a follow-up question as fast as you can. When you unpause the video, you will see 3 possible rebuttals for that objection to help you. So let's begin.